What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. T-Shirt, back with another one. Now, in my last video I discussed the basic colors you should keep in your inventory, but in this video I'm going to go over a special kind of vinyl, hence why this is grouped in with the specialty vinyls. Now, for those of you who don't know, I personally charge more for a shirt when using specialty vinyls just because they cost me more. Some of you may be asking, what is specialty vinyls? So if you take a look here at my rack or shelf, whatever you want to call it, I have my vinyls kind of sorted based on what they are. Like these are 651 adhesive vinyls, so these are like your stickers, decals, and then I have my specialty vinyls. So as you see here, I have a gold glitter, there's a sub block, like this is for when you're doing sublimation. You have a purple or blue purple glitter. This is this is puff, more puff here. This actually is a cool, it looks like black, but it's actually cool. This is a translucent vinyl, so this actually changes color when the sun hits it certain directions. And this is more puff that I have. We have rose golds, silvers, and then some more adhesive on this side. Specialty vinyls are those such as your glitters, metals, or foils. Reflectors, which is one of my favorite, your flocks, and my top specialty vinyl, Puff HTV. Now, I've been using Deco Puff HTV from Total Ink Solutions, and this stuff is amazing. Matter of fact, I'm going to demonstrate how this works. We're using a Bella Canvas 3001 premium t-shirt, of course. We got our heat press heating up to 305 degrees, which is the application settings. We're gonna keep that on there for 8 to 10 seconds. I usually do an extra 5 seconds. Based on past experiences, I've realized that when you keep the heat on an extra couple of seconds, the puff seems to rise a little more and gives more of that effect. And again, the application is 8 to 10 seconds at 305 degrees. And this is gonna be a hot peel. This is what we're going to be putting on our t-shirt today. This is a brand that I'm working on, and always ask yourself, what's your net worth? You guys work hard, you put in your hard work, charge for what you're worth. All right, if you're in business for yourself, make sure you don't short yourself. Make sure you always charge your worth. Always ask yourself, what's your net worth? We have our heat press now set up to about 304, 305, so I think we're ready to go. All right, guys, so we're just gonna pre-press, get all the moisture out as usual. Normal routine, couple of seconds. And just gonna size it. I'm gonna do my 4 fingers down. Now, being that this is a shorter logo, grab my ruler, make sure we have the same amount, 4 inches on that side. And this is at like 4.5, so let's put this on just there. All right, about 4 1/4 there, and 4 1/4 there, so we know that we're dead smack in the center. We look at it. Just touch. All right. Right. Right, so we got it even on both sides, straight, and we're just gonna press down 8 to 10 seconds, 305 degrees. I'm gonna keep it on for 15 seconds. That's just my preference. And we're gonna see how the puff rises after peeling. you guys see this? Let me get a close-up for you guys so you guys can take a look at this. This stuff is amazing. Let me turn off the press. Wow. Guys, can you see this? Look how it's puffed up. It's clear, it's clean, you can feel it down to the touch. See what that looks like? That's a good looking piece of vinyl right there. Like I said before, hence why they call it specialty vinyl. Now, a shirt like this that normally you would maybe pay $20 for if it was on regular vinyl. Now, you have just raised the value of the shirt by at least $5. So now you can get $25. Or if you were selling the shirt for $25, now you sell the shirt for $30. Again, make it worth your while. If you're gonna spend more money on a specialty vinyl, you have no choice but to charge the customer for that extra. Okay? And now as far as the wash cycle, the wash cycle is ridiculous on this. All right, I have other shirts that I've done puff vinyls on, even for myself. And I've washed them several times and still there's no peeling, there's no nothing. So yeah, this came out so nice. I had to throw it on right away. Like I had to switch out what I had on and throw on my own brand shirt with this puff feel on it. I'm probably gonna be rubbing my chest all day. But guys, if you think that this is a specialty vinyl that you can benefit from, the puff vinyl or any of the specialty vinyls that I showed you in the video today, make sure you guys comment below. Also, if you like to pick up any of these specialty vinyls, make sure to use my affiliate link down below from Total Ink Solutions. Anything you purchase on that site, I'll receive a small commission, which also helps me to provide you guys with great and valuable content on my channel. Before you do that, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and tap that little notification bell to stay updated on more videos just like this. As usual, I'm Mr. T-Shirt, signing off. Peace.